Lift and transport loads from delivery trucks to docks, or use to inventory storage systems with our line of light load lifts. These durable lifts are available in steel or aluminum construction. The steel units come with an all-welded steel platform, and the sizes are available in either 20-inch or 24-inch widths. The length of the platform is 20 inches. They are easy to operate with either a hand winch or foot pump. To operate the winch, turn the handle clockwise to raise the platform. To lower the platform, turn the handle counterclockwise. The platform lifts approximately 1 inch per winch rotation. The manual foot pump lifts approximately 1 inch per pump. The foot pump models have a convenient foot-operated lowering valve to lower the unit. Located on the handle are 2 load rollers. To ease loading into delivery trucks, to load the lift, collapse the winch handle and lift up on the handle using the rollers to roll into the particular vehicle. Push all the way in. It is not recommended to load the foot pump handle model onto the back wheels. The aluminum model units are a very lightweight option, with most models just over 100 pounds. The models with the lift forward roll smoothly on 6x2 poly-on-poly rear wheels with 2-inch semi-steel front wheels. Models with the lift swivel wheels have an 8x2 poly-on-poly rear wheels and 4 swivel casters and a hand-operated floor lock. Our counterbalance light load lift model rolls on 2 front 4x2 mold-on rubber and 2 back 4x1¼ hard rubber swivel wheels and has a foot-operated floor lock. The horizontal load center is 10 inches. The low-profile units come in steel and aluminum construction and have a deck height of 1/4 inch off the ground, with 2 inches high side lifts. Some of the options include a wheel lock and a hand-operated floor lock. Lift and transport loads for many warehouse and manufacturing applications with our line of light load lifts.